Okay, so good morning, guys. This is 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I slept at I slept early. I slept at 11 last morning. Oh, sorry, last night. So now without wasting time, let's see what the price did at the market open. I believe that it would open to the upside, grab liquidity from the recent liquidity level, that is 337, 343 level, and then move to the upside. Let's see what happened. Well, people, as you can clearly see, as I said, price on the market open went a little above and came all the way down to retest this level, which is a very important level. Well, I believe that price will go to the upside, but the thing that scares me is that the EMAs are not supporting me, as well as you can see clearly that there is a high probability FVG just at this point, as you can see. So I believe that the price could have to test it before going up, but as I exactly expected, price is moving to the upside after testing this important liquidity level, and I will just wait a little more, take my entry up. As you can clearly see, the price did exactly what I said yesterday. So guys, as you can clearly see, the price did exactly what I said. I cannot show you because it is on my phone that my orders are just executed just right here, जो मैंने आपको कल ही बता दिया था. And the price is now straight to the upside, is moving straight to the upside. I'm currently in 7% profit. I can close my position just right now, but I believe my take profit will be all the way towards upside at this level. And yep, that is where my take profit is going to be at the current all-time highs. And yes, this is it, guys, and I'll update you guys on the position what happens. Currently I'm in 7% profit, and I'll update you guys on the position. So guys, as you can clearly see, price is trading to the upside, and currently I'm in 12% profit. I cannot show you because it is on my phone, but as you know, I'm in 12% profit just right now. I took my entry just right here. My orders were open just right here, as I called yesterday. मैं रात में orders लगा के सोया था, and as you can see, price is soaring to the upside. This is huge. This is a perfect breakout and retest scenario just right here, and price is currently moving to the upside. That is exactly what I expect. As I say, I'm extremely bullish, and price could even go to the all-time highs in this Monday only, and could even take them out on the Tuesday only. So this is it, guys, and I'll update you guys on the position current. So yes, it is 8:10 now. I'm late a little bit क्योंकि मैं ज़रा चार्ट देखने में टाइम लगा रहा था, and the price was currently making a kind of retracement, but I was still in 6% profit on the big candle. I'm extremely happy that it did what I projected, exactly what I wanted to do, and what I wanted it to do exactly. And so now I'm just going to wear my shirt and get my books. I'll give you outlook at how trade is currently going, and then we'll move on to college. ओके गाइस, नाउ इट इज़ 8:20, और शायद थोड़ा लेट हो सकता हूँ मैं पहुँचने में, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा लेट निकला. बारिश भी थोड़ी हो रही है, बट द गुड थिंग इज़ प्राइस इज़ मूविंग टू दी अपसाइड. उसने जो रिट्रेसमेंट है उसको क्योर कर दिया, एंड इट इज़ करेंटली मूविंग टू दी अपसाइड टू दी ऑल टाइम हाइस. एंड एज आई सेड, प्राइस ऑल टाइम हाई पे पहुँचने वाला है कुछ देर में ही. एंड माई करंट प्रॉफिट वॉज 14%, एज यू ऑल नो, and my take profit is at 20%. So let's see if the price hits it very soon enough. I believe it is definitely going to hit it, and I'll update you guys when I reach home at 6 p.m. and yep, let's go.
Primitive. Clear? So we have processes.
So now it is 6:45 and just came home, and now let's look at our position, what happened and what the price did for today. I believe that price would definitely have gone to the upside, and would have hit my TP1 at 14%, and that is what I think for the price currently. And yes, let's see what happens, and I will update you guys in a bit. Yes, so extremely good guys, as you can clearly see, this is where I took my entry in front of you guys. यहाँ पे मेरे orders open है that I recorded yesterday only, और price all the way went up. मेरा exactly यहाँ पे 14% TP mark था at 3383486 that is हमारा 20 pip का move. So we captured 2000 pip move, and we made 14% on this position. That is approximately of what you can say, approximately $1,000 on $6,000, which is a huge amount of profit that we made. And the positions are currently trailing in that are on my phone, and I'm currently in somewhere around 9% profit, and my take profit is all the way toward this level, that is the current all-time highs. So as you can clearly see, I just captured 14% on 3 of my positions. So I made $1,000 on that position, and I'm currently trailing in approximately $350. I'm currently trailing in. अगर मैं भी अपनी पोजीशन डालता हूँ तो I could done with the $1,250 day, but I still believe price will go to the upside. I'm happy that I captured $890 on this move, to be exact. Sorry, $990 to be exact. I made $990 on this day, and I believe price will definitely go to the upside. And if it goes, we're going to hit our TP2. So yes, now without wasting any time, I'll just change my clothes and we'll start generalizing and move with our day.